Hey Clint, what's up? This is Josh. I'm just wanting to shoot you a quick video real quick. I know Andrew spoke with me yesterday about how you were approached by said other band leader saying that, oh, we're going someplace or we're going somewhere. I just wanted to kind of point out that like they are doing a lot of like ads. They're running a lot of ads on Facebook. So they're paying to run, do a marketing campaign on Facebook. Whether that's bringing them a lot of, work, I can't really tell all that much. But at that, at that same set, they don't even have a website. Like, yeah, Facebook is great, and it's a great tool to be able to get people to come out places, but it's one of a few avenues to be able to pull in people. And so, just give you kind of a background, I do marketing. I market different businesses. I kind of make sure that, whenever somebody searches for something, my clients come up first on Google. Like, for instance, if you were to do a search for, like, pizza, O'Fallon, Illinois, right? You've got my client here is ranked #1 organically, right? So the map pack takes a little bit of time to get into, and I plan on getting them in there. But just giving you an example of what I do, right? People don't know about his pizza company, right? So they search, well, I want to find pizza in O'Fallon, Illinois. And I want to make sure that my client comes up here towards the top so that whenever people are searching for that, they'll see him come up. So like, how would that help you guys? Well, we would need to design you a website similar to this. This band here, BlueWaterKingsBand.com. This band is actually going places, right? When other band member came to you and says, we're going places, we're doing things, we booked, a bunch, we booked weddings or whatever. It's like, these guys are like advertising, they're professional, they've got a professional site, they have somebody doing their marketing, they've got a significant amount of content on here, photos and video services, right? Corporate events, wedding events, right? And this is for St. Louis. This band, these musicians are advertising themselves in the St. Louis area, right? And how do I know that? Well, if you do a search for St. Louis bands, right, they had an ad that popped up. Blue Water King Band, right? They've got Google ads that they're running as well. But what I would try to do is get Cheers, right, up organically towards the top here, right? So when people are searching for St. Louis bands, you guys pop up, right? And I've got a tool that tells me kind of like what search volume is, like St. Louis wedding bands, like bands that play weddings. It says it's 60 people a month on average search for that. That's just for bands to play a wedding, right? So I would want to tag that keyword. I would want to get that so you guys show up high on that. Wedding bands in St. Louis, right? That's another keyword. 90 unique people search for that every month, right? And so I would want to tag that because weddings are a big moneymaker, right? And then you've also got like, other keywords here that you can use, like St. Louis band. The one that I searched, 350 people search for this a month, unique. It says it's easy to rank for. This can be a bit harder. It can cost more to be able to snag that keyword and rank high for that, but it can be done. And that's what I do, right? I take companies for specific keywords. This is a keyword, Pizza O'Fallon, Illinois. And I rank my client up top for that so that he has a lot of traffic coming to his website, right? A lot of people seeing him. So if we do this band here, Blue Water Kings Band, let's see how many people are coming to their website. All right, I can pop their website in here. I haven't looked this up yet, so this is, new, but 1,700 people are coming to their website per month. They're ranking for 2,000 keywords, and their pay-per-click campaign, they're paying for 219 keywords to be ranked. They've got a pretty big budget. They've got a lot of referring domains. Now, like, are we going to try to snag that? Are we going to try to keep up with this band here? Probably not. We're going to try to, we would try to do our own thing, right, and rank organically for being like a rock band, right? So let's do like these guys are ranking for their name, Blue Water Kings Band, right? But we could do St. Louis rock bands, right? 50 people are searching for that. That's your unique, niche. You guys are a rock band, right? But you also play at weddings too, so you can also rank for, playing at weddings. And so we just have to build out content specifically for that, so you can rank for it. It just kind of depends on what you want to do. Where you want to take it, right? When Blake or whatever says, "Hey, we're going places," it's like they may be like picking up shows or two, a few, at weddings, and they, they're getting booked, but you guys are too. Like you guys are getting booked. You guys are booked every weekend. You guys are booked. You're booking weddings as well, right? The way that I would want to take you guys further is to pass up the gusto and go and not just have a Facebook presence, but also have a presence on Google, so that when people are actually searching on Google for a band to play their wedding, you guys pop up, right? Like that's what I would want to do, because these guys, it's word of mouth and they're being referred when they go to shows, but the thing is that they're not growing. They're only growing as quickly as they can, play a gig. If you guys had a following and you guys also had people searching for you on the internet and then watching videos, it's like if we made a YouTube channel for you guys, and not only did you post this video on Facebook, but you would post it on YouTube. We could then host that video on the website so that people could see, like, this is us in action at this bar on this date, we're also going to be playing at this bar on this date. If you want us to play in your wedding, you should come to this bar and check us out, right? Like, Facebook is a great avenue, and I think that you guys are doing a good job with that. It's just that there are other ways of promoting this as well. And so I have a lot of tools. I have a lot of assistants, right? Staff members that can help, grow any business, right? Like I took this company from, doing about 150 people to their website a month, and now they've got like 500 people to their website a month. So now, are all of those people paying customers? I don't know. Maybe they're just kind of browsing. But the thing is that if you don't have visibility, nobody can find you, nobody can learn about you, and the most important thing is that visibility. So, like the Gusto, sure, they're growing, but they don't even have a website linked on their page. They don't have another avenue for being able to book things, right? Like you should have a contact us form on your website saying, hey, if you want us to play your wedding, fill out this form and we'll get with you, right? Or, there's just a lot of ways, like, having, running Google ads to get to that point if your marketing budget, allows for it, right? So we can talk more about this if you want. We can do a deep dive. I don't mind hopping on a Zoom with you whenever you've got a chance. We can kind of figure out a strategy towards, where you guys want to take it. So let me know if you're interested, and, we'll go from there. Thanks.